Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kesav and this is my first educational video on trading on Forex trading. In this video, I will explain what Forex trading is using simple words and real examples on TradingView chart. So if you are a beginner, watch till the end. What is Forex? Forex means foreign exchange. In simple words, it's the global market where people trade one currency for another. For example, if you are ever travel from India to the US and you are exchanged rupees for dollar, you already done a forex transaction. But in online forex trading, we try to make a profit from the price change between two currency without physically involved. How currency pair work? Forex is always traded in pairs. For example, here we have Euro USD, which means Euro versus US dollar. The first currency, Euro, is the base currency, and second one, USD, is a quant currency. If Euro USD is at our 1.1000, for example, it means 1 euro is worth 1.10 US dollar. If I think the euro will go up compared to the dollar, I click buy button. If I think it will go down, I click sell button. Explaining a simple trade. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine I bought Euro USD here at this lowest point. Then the price went up to here, up to here. If I close my trade here, I would make a profit because I bought low and sold high. But if the market price went goes down after I bought, I would lose money. So Forex is not guessing. You need to learn analysis and manage risk properly. Why people trade Forex? People trade Forex because it's the largest and most liquidated market in the world. Run 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. It didn't need a big investment to start. You can even open a demo account and practice without real money. But remember, forex trading is risky and not get rich quick scheme. Who who control the forex market? Who control the forex market? Forex is not controlled by anyone, person, or company. It's a decentralized market, means banks, governments, hedge funds, companies, and even retail traders like us are all participating in this market. The market moves based on economic news like this, interest rates, inflation rate, global events, or etc. So that was a simple explanation of what Forex trading is. In my new video, I will show you how to open a demo account, understanding lot size and manage risk per trade. If you like this, subscribe, drop a comment and let me know what topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching.